Hey guys, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language settings in Ubuntu. So before we get started, I should say I'm a native language, English language speaker, and I don't know any other languages. So I would never do this for myself because I have no reason to, but there are lots of bilingual people out there, have needs for to learn, to use their computer in multiple languages, I should say. So that's, it's a good thing to know. And to get started, we need to open up our settings overview window. And once this is open, you need to search for region and language. Now you select this one here, not this, but this one. Not sure why I went over there. But as we can see, I've got English and I've got German and French installed as well. So I have these language packs installed already, so if I want to just switch to French, I can do that. But if you want to install new languages, you need to click Manage Installed Languages. Now from here, Ubuntu is going to tell you that language support isn't installed correctly or fully, and you can click the Install button. And that just involves entering your password. It's going to quickly install many different things that it needs. Then you can go back here and you can select different languages. So if I click install or remove languages, and let's say that I need to install, let's see, Spanish. Maybe I'm trying to learn Spanish, so I can check this button right here, click apply. Now it's going to apply the changes. It's going to download everything that I need, all the language packs for Espanol or whatever. I'm not a very good Spanish speaker. And it will set it up on the system. And once that's all done, we can close this. So once that's installed, I can close this and close region and language. Now I need to reopen it. And now I can, and the reason you need to reopen it is because the settings don't automatically apply to the app. But now if I look through, I can see here's Chilean Spanish, Colombian Spanish, Costa Rican, El Salvador, Mexico. As an American, I would probably end up clicking this one here, and when I select this button, my entire system is going to change to Spanish if I click the restart button. Obviously, I don't speak Spanish and I would not be able to navigate my computer, but if I did need to switch to Spanish, I could do that. And you can actually set up some multiple input sources. So if you want to switch your writing, maybe you speak Spanish as your main language, or French or whatever, and you need to switch between different languages, you can add them as different input sources. But since I speak English, I'm just going to leave it as English, and that's that. But that's how this all works. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, especially for those of you who are bilingual and need to know how to switch between languages on Ubuntu. I really should learn a new language, but until then, I'm just going to stick to the English. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.